What if you could turn a simple idea or story into an animated AI video in just a few clicks, no complicated prompts, only using Whisk? In this video, you'll see how to use Whisk to go from a boring image to an animated clip you can post on YouTube Shorts completely free. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create your subject in Whisk, build a scene, apply a style, and animate your image and download it. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Whisk is Google's experimental AI tool that lets you create images and animations using an image-first workflow. You can generate unlimited images from Whisk without watermark. This is so cool, isn't it? First, go to any browser and type Whisk. Now click on this link. Sign in with your Google account. After that, click on Enter Tool. Now, this is the interface of the Whisk tool. Here you'll see three main boxes: Subject, Scene, and Style. This is where Whisk becomes super beginner-friendly, because you can drag and drop images, or you can also write a prompt to describe your image. This feature of Whisk helps you to create consistent characters in all scene images. Create the subject. Now, to create a subject, you need a full viral story. For this, go to ChatGPT and write your story idea, or you can paste the prompt given in the description for a Disney-style 3D animated video. This prompt will give you story characters, scene-by-scene image prompts, image animation prompts together. Now you have your story's main characters. Now we will generate your first main character. For this, copy your main character image prompt and paste it into Whisk. Click here to set your image aspect ratio. For me, it will be 16:9. But if you are creating YouTube Shorts or TikTok video, then select 9:16. Now Whisk analyzes the subject and generates variations. Pick the one you like. If you want any changes in your image, then simply click on Refine, write the changes you want in generated image. Now your first main character is generated. If you're satisfied with the result, drag it into subject box. For doing this, you have to click on it and drag your image here. You can also write a prompt directly to generate your main character. If you have multiple characters in your story, then repeat this process to generate another character and drag that image here. Create the scene and style. Next, click Scene and upload or choose a background. This could be a city at night, a fantasy forest, or any setting that matches your idea. You can tell ChatGPT to generate the background for the story as well. Just copy background image prompt, generate it, and drag in this box according to the scene. Now it's time to choose a style, so just write the style you want for your image. For example, anime, illustration, or cinematic art. In my case, it is 3D Disney cartoon style. You can use the small pencil icons on each box to type extra instructions. Then hit Generate to let Whisk create the final image. Create the scene-by-scene images. Now you have to create your scene-by-scene images. For this, just copy your first scene image prompt and paste it into Whisk. Read carefully how many characters are there in your scene and select accordingly. Now your first scene image is ready. Generate all images like that. Now you have all your images. It's time to animate these images. Whisk gives you 100 free credits to animate your images. But if your credits run out of free credits, you can sign in with a new Gmail account to get fresh credits again. Now, to turn your image to an animated video, click on Animate, write or paste your image animation prompt and hit Enter. Whisk will turn your still image into a viral short video clip. If you want a deeper masterclass on Whisk covering character consistency, advanced style swaps, and bulk video workflows, tell in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Now go try Whisk yourself and create your first AI animation today.